In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Wix site in just about 5 minutes. We know that creating websites can be time-consuming, and sometimes copying an existing structure can save you lots of effort and bring consistency to your projects. So, let's walk through the simple steps of duplicating a site on Wix. First things first, you need to be logged into your Wix account. You can do this by heading over to wix.com and entering your credentials, ensuring you have access to the dashboard with all your websites. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one, because you'll need it to proceed. Once you're in, your Wix dashboard displays all your active sites, making management a whole lot easier. From the dashboard, hover over the name of the site you're currently navigating. Just hover with your cursor, and you'll see an option appear to select Go to All Sites. Click on this option to see a full list of all sites you have on your account. This is particularly useful if you manage more than one site, or if, like many of us, you've forgotten what sites you actually have. Next, among the listed sites, select the one you wish to duplicate. Once you've found your preferred site, observe the interface closely to locate the ellipsis icon, commonly represented by 3 dots. Hover over the site name and click on this icon. This part is crucial because the ellipse gives you a drop-down of options specific to each site you own. After clicking on those 3 dots, you'll be presented with multiple options. Focus your attention here, as scrolling through these options might be tempting. What you're specifically looking for is the duplicate option. Click on it. This option effectively tells Wix to start creating a duplicate of your chosen site. Remember, this process might take a moment, depending on the size and complexity of your original site, so you might need a little patience. There you have it. A new copy of your original site has been successfully created. You can now view and edit this new site independently of the original. This is great for trying out design changes or creating template sites for clients to reflect their personal or business brand without disturbing the site that's currently live. Duplicating a site can be incredibly helpful for maintaining consistent branding across multiple websites or for A/B testing layouts and content. So now you know how. Enjoy exploring your new possibilities and all the creative opportunities this feature can unlock. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more, where we delve into other features that Wix has to offer.